This edit gained thousands of views and new subscribers. A lot of people asked me how I made it. Most people think it's all about effects, but the real secret is in the beats. If you didn't add beats correctly, then your edit can collapse. So today I'll break down the edit. Hey everyone, PHOPHIS-X-BLACK here. So today's tutorial I'll show you how I created It's My Turn edit in Alight Motion. I'll explain every step as we go. So now let's get into it. First, create a new project and add beats according to the audio. Then add your character's PNG and adjust everything like me. And from here I'm stopping yapping, so watch carefully. Add text and your edit probably look like this. tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.